how to log in into SS service tax. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how to log in into SS service tax. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser on your device. For example, I will select Safari. Now in the search bar, type SS Service Tax Login and search for it. Once you search for it, there you will see different links on the screen. Click on the first link that you see on the screen. After that, you will be directed to this page. And if you keep on scrolling, here you will see their commitment, vision and strategies and many more. Now at the upper right corner, here you can see the 3- line. Click on it. Now here you will see different options. Click on the last option, SBS Login. Now finally you can log in into your account from here. Just enter your GSTIN, password and CAPTCHA as shown in the screen and finally click on login, and with that you will be easily logging into your SS Service Tax account. So that's it. In this simple way you can log in into SS Service Tax. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye bye.